Are you playing with the kitty's toys? Are you playing with kitty's toys? Done? Are y'all done? No. What's wrong with this one that's hanging? What do you got there? You sharing? Thank you. Here, you can have a sec now. Yeah.